In a stunning turn of events, DJI Global managed to keep one of their most exciting products completely under wraps until now. Just one day ago, the company dropped an official teaser titled "Stay in Control," confirming the long-awaited DJI Neo 2 will be unveiled on October 30, 2025. Fans across the world were taken by surprise. After months of silence and speculation, it's finally official. A new generation of DJI's smallest, smartest drone is ready to take flight. The announcement not only confirms its existence, but also gives a hint at just how far DJI has pushed innovation in the lightweight drone category.
Retouch for me is the AI photo editing suite trusted by professionals. With just one click, you can remove blemishes, smooth skin, whiten teeth, and brighten eyes, all while keeping natural texture intact. From perfect portraits to polished backdrops, Retouch for me saves hours of editing, so you can focus on creating. Retouch smarter, work faster. Try Retouch for me today. Click the description for the purchase link.
The first DJI Neo was loved for its portability and ease of use. It became a favorite among beginners and travel vloggers who wanted a drone they could literally carry in a pocket. But it wasn't perfect. It struggled in wind, had limited flight time, and its video quality, while good, wasn't enough to compete with higher-end models. That's exactly where the DJI Neo 2 steps in. From what has been revealed and rumored so far, DJI listened closely to user feedback and refined almost every part of the drone. From its flight performance to its camera and connectivity, a major camera upgrade. The most exciting part of the DJI Neo 2 is its upgraded camera system. According to the latest leaks, it will come with a new and improved 2-axis gimbal camera, possibly featuring the same image sensor as the DJI Mini 5. This means we can expect a big leap in overall video quality and color accuracy. The footage is rumored to have better clarity, smoother stabilization, and enhanced low-light performance, areas where the original Neo had some noticeable limitations. If this turns out to be true, it will place the Neo 2 much higher in the small drone segment. With DJI's advanced image processing, users could get sharp 4K footage that's not just stable but also vibrant and cinematic. The 2-axis gimbal design, while not a full 3-axis system, provides a good balance between weight and performance, keeping the Neo 2 light yet capable of professional-level shots. For vloggers, travelers, and everyday users, this will make a huge difference. Smarter, safer, and more aware, the Neo 2 isn't just about better visuals, and it's about smarter flight control and safety. DJI has reportedly added infrared LiDAR sensors to enhance both tracking and obstacle avoidance. These sensors allow the drone to better understand its environment, improving its ability to avoid collisions and maintain precise positioning, even in tight or complex spaces. What makes this feature even more exciting is how it complements the AI tracking system already present in the original Neo. The combination of AI subject tracking with infrared LiDAR technology could make the Neo 2 one of the smartest mini drones ever made. Imagine walking, biking, or running while the drone follows you seamlessly, adjusting altitude and direction automatically while avoiding trees or walls. For content creators who shoot solo, this means less worry about flying skills and more focus on creativity. DJI is also introducing an upwards and backwards camera in the Neo 2 design, giving the drone an extra layer of safety and awareness. This addition is particularly useful for smart return-to-home operations and complex indoor flying. The drone can now detect obstacles above or behind it, reducing the risk of crashes and ensuring safer flight paths, especially for beginners. Battery life has always been a weak point for smaller drones, and DJI clearly took that feedback to heart. The new DJI Neo 2 battery is said to have 15% more capacity than the previous version, allowing up to 19 minutes of flight time. While that might not sound groundbreaking compared to larger drones, it's an impressive improvement for a model this size. For quick shoots, travel videos, or fast-paced adventures, those few extra minutes can make a big difference. The propellers have also received a noticeable redesign. The new blades feature a more silent prop design, reducing the loud buzzing sound that often comes with compact drones. This means quieter flights, which is ideal for indoor filming or discreet outdoor shoots. Combined with aerodynamic refinements and weight optimization, the Neo 2 promises a smoother and more stable flying experience, even in light wind conditions. The overall look of the drone has also changed slightly. Early teasers show a sleeker top design with a small module-like transceiver unit on the back, which might be one of the most important hardware changes yet. Rumors cluster around late 2025 for announcements, with availability perhaps extending into early 2026 in some regions. DJI often uses trade shows or launch events, so a reveal is more likely around a major gathering or DJI event or via their own channel. Price estimates from leaks are varied. Some expect the base Neo 2 to land around $220 to $250 for a stripped-down version. If bundled with more batteries or RC controller, that could go up toward $400 depending on package. As for alternatives, at the moment, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is perhaps the strongest competitor. It offers a 1-inch sensor, longer flight time, more advanced camera features, though it is heavier and may cost significantly more. For creators whose priority is image quality over ultra portability, Mini 5 Pro might deliver more value, especially in low light. On the FPV style side, the Autel line and rumors of an Autel 3 are positioned for immersive flying, thrilling angles, goggles, and aggressive motion. These do not compete directly in the same niche as Neo 2, but some users consider them when deciding one drone to carry for everything. If you want cinematic control, speed, agility, immersion, Autel may be more fun. If you want simplicity, reliable shots, portability, Neo 2 could hit an ideal middle ground. Also, older models like the original Neo may be discounted when Neo 2 comes out, making them budget options. If Neo 2 delivers on even some of the leaked upgrades, the larger sensor, smoother 4K recording capability, extended flight time, improved obstacle awareness, it has the chance to carve out a sweet spot between toy-like ease and semi-pro performance. But the trade-offs will matter: cost, weight, and complexity of accessories. If the base price rises upward, some users may prefer to stretch a bit and get the Mini 5 Pro or a used older model. For you, the viewer, what matters is which compromises you accept. If you want the lightest, easiest, travel-friendly drone with solid video and fewer settings to fuss over, Neo 2 looks promising. If you need the absolute best image fidelity or high-end low-light performance, maybe something slightly bigger serves better. Whatever comes, we expect Neo 2 to be a strong option in the upcoming creative gear lineup.